Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting review for you. We'll be diving deep into the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, a mid-range smartphone that brings 5G connectivity to the masses. So, let us jump right into it. Starting off with the design and build quality, the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G boasts a sleek and modern design. It features a plastic back with a glossy finish that gives it a premium look. The phone has a solid build, and the ergonomics are on point, making it comfortable to hold and use. It also comes in various vibrant colors, adding a touch of personalization to your device. Now, let us talk about the display. The Galaxy A54 5G sports a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display with a full HD+ resolution. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is excellent, and the viewing angles are great. Whether you're browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games, the visual experience is immersive and enjoyable. It's a great display for a mid-range device. Moving on to performance, the Galaxy A54 5G is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor, coupled with 4GB or 6GB of RAM, depending on the variant. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and efficient performance for most tasks. Whether you're scrolling through social media, using productivity apps, or even playing some casual games, the phone handles it with ease. In terms of software, the Galaxy A54 5G runs on Samsung S1 UI, based on Android 11. One UI provides a clean and user-friendly interface, with a host of customization options and useful features. It also comes with Samsung's commitment to regular software updates, ensuring that you receive the latest security patches and features. Now, let us dive into the camera capabilities of the Galaxy A54 5G. It features a quad-camera setup, with a 48-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 5-megapixel macro lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. The camera performance is impressive, capturing detailed and vibrant shots in various lighting conditions. The ultra-wide-angle lens expands your perspective, while the macro lens lets you get up close to capture intricate details. Overall, it's a versatile camera setup for a mid-range device. Battery life is always a concern, especially for users on the go. The Galaxy A54 5G is equipped with a 4,500 mAh battery, which provides a full day of usage on moderate usage. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or using productivity apps, you won't have to worry about running out of battery quickly. Additionally, the phone supports 15W fast charging, so you can quickly recharge and get back to using your device. Let us talk about some additional features that enhance the overall experience. The Galaxy A54 5G comes with a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, which is fast and accurate for unlocking your device. It also includes NFC support, allowing you to make contactless payments using services like Samsung Pay. Furthermore, the phone has expandable storage via a microSD card slot, giving you more space to store your files, photos, and videos.